Welcome to Best Productly.
Ten Best Plasma Cutter New Model 2020. We are going to check out top 10 best plasma cutter in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this plasma cutter, you can check
Top 10.
Lotos LTP 5500D Non-Touch Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter, Dual Voltage 110V 220V, Brown, 55 AMP Digital, Portable and Powerful. The LTP 5500D can easily cut 3/5, 15mm metal with ultimate portability, weighing only 15 pounds. The LT 5500D is an excellent choice for home D jobs and light-duty small business projects. Non-HF blowback start, there is no HF interference. Set up within 1 min. The per installed NPT 1/4 industry type D plug and air filter regulator allows you to quick connect to your air compressor by using the stand coupler existing on your air compressor. The non-HF start torch with central connector, save your time to connect the torch to your plasma cutter. The whole machine can be set up quickly within 1 min. Input: automatic dual voltage 110-125V or 215-245 volts. Fully output circuit breaker requirement: 110V at 50A and 220V at 40A. Air compressor requirement: 70 psi at 4.0 SCFM. Output: 20 to 55 a DC output, 3/5 ideal clean cut and 1 maximum severance cut under 220-240 volts. 20 to 35 ADC output, 3/8 ideal clean cut and a half maximum severance cut under 110-120 volts. Suitable cutting for stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, aluminum, etc.
Top 9.
Sunku 50 amp plasma cutter 110-220V, portable pro. Cut 50 electric DC inverter metal plasma cutting machine, dual voltage with digital display, a half-inch clean cut, 50 amp plasma cutter, 50 amp DC output, a half INCH, 12mm, ideal clean cut under 220V, simple operation, and smooth cutting surface. Suitable for cutting carbon steel, stainless steel, copper, iron and aluminum metal, etc. Control panel LCD digital display. Front panel easy red pressure gauge connected with the air nozzle of the rear panel, easy to control. Power pilot lamp and protection pilot lamp for easy operation. High cutting speed, cutting smoothly, and no polish demands. Safe design, built-in overheat protection, over voltage protection, under voltage protection, and lack of compressed air pressure protection. Comes with a mask, which can prevent you from hurting while using. In addition, the strong ability of heat dissipation helps to reduce the temperature of its components and increase of service life. Exquisite workmanship, its solid material construction makes it reliable and gives it strength that to be used for a long time. The solid black edges protect the panels and
Top 8.
YESWELDER Cut 55DS, 55 amp high frequency non-touch pilot arc digital plasma cutter, DC inverter 110-230V dual voltage cutting machine. Non-touch pilot arc plasma cutter efficiently cuts through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. Pilot arc technology allows you to cut without touching the tip to the metal. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. Less cleaning, maintenance, noxious gases, and less fire hazard. You have simply less overall work and a better, cleaner cut. 1055 a DC output, a half ideal clean cut and 3/4 maximum severance cut under 220-240 volts. Suitable cutting for stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, aluminum, etc. Uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 7.
Hobart AirForce 40i Plasma Cutter, Model 500576 dual voltage capability with MVP, multi-voltage plug, allows you to connect to common 120 or 240 volts power receptacles without the use of any tools. Simply choose the plug that fits the receptacle. XT40R torch designed for increased comfort with an ergonomic trigger safety, more efficient cooling and economical replacement. Cutting tips. Fan on demand cooling system operates only when needed, reducing power consumption and contaminants drawn into the machine. Power factor correction, PFC, circuitry, draws up to 30% less amperage for the same cutting range as compared to the competition. PFC expands operators' work area via extension cord while minimizing nuisance circuit breaker trips caused by
Top 6.
PrimeWeld 50A Air Inverter Plasma Cutter with non-touch pilot arc, automatic dual voltage, 110V 220V, and dual frequency, 50Hz 60Hz, portable plasma cutter, a half clean cut, CUT 50DP plasma cutting equipment. This versatile plasma cutting machine uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut metals. Great for stainless steel, carbon steel, copper, aluminum and more. Cutting thickness is a half for clean cut and 3/4 for severance cut. Pilot arc includes integrated matrix with pilot arc function to efficiently cut through rough, painted and rusty metal with less slag. In addition, the dual voltage capability allows you to run directly on 220V 50-60 Hz power or on 110V 50 Hz 60 Hz. Many useful features. This 50 amp plasma cutter has an operating air pressure of 75 psi at 5 CFM. It also includes a PAPST advanced German cooling system and a MOSFET transistor, allowing you to cut thin metals or thicker metals. Compact and portable, this compact plasma cutter has a built-in handle for easy portability around your workshop or job site. This plasma cutter kit includes a plasma torch, ground clamp with cable, air regulator, air hose and air hose connections.
Top 5.
Lotos LTPDC 2000D Non-Touch Pilot Arc 50A Plasma Cutter 200A TIG Welder and Stick Welder 3-in-1 Combo Welding Machine 1/2 inch Clean Cut Brown Non-Touch Plasma Cutter 10 to 50 AMP Plasma Cutter Current Output Max Ideal Cut Thickness, a half max severance thickness, 3/4. Pilot Arc Torch efficiently cuts through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. Compact plasma cutter has a handle for portability and uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and aluminum. TIG welder, 15 to 200 AMP DC TIG electric current output. Quality TIG welding on stainless or steel and precise welding of thinner gauge materials. HF arc start hand torch control and precise foot pedal welding heat control, foot pedal not included. Stick MMA welder, 15 to 200 AMP DC stick MMA electric current output. Easy arc start, stable welding arc, deep weld pool and beautiful welding shape. Adjustable hot striking arc current which can greatly improve the arc starting function. Suitable for welding with different kinds of acid or basic electrode.
Top 4.
Plasma Cutter CUT 50 Dual Voltage 110V 220V 50A Air Inverter Cutting Machine Portable Plasma Cutter High Frequency 1. Advanced technology, adopting the most advanced inverter IGBT technology. The development of inverter air plasma cutter has massive benefits which include greatly reduced size and weight, space saving, greater power efficiency, easy to install, and operate. Point 2. Dual voltage capability allows the machine to run directly on 220 volts 50/60 Hz power or on 110 volts 50/60 Hz plug adapters included. Point 3. Output and performance, 10 to 50 ADC output, a half ideal clean cut and 3/4 maximum severance. The output current is constant and has an excellent operational performance. In good conditions the transfer efficiency is above 85%. Point 4. White applications, suitable for cutting stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel.
Top 3.
Lotos Plasma Cutter, LTP 7078, portable and powerful LTP 7000 plasma cutter has a handle for portability and uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and aluminum. Set up within 1 min. The per installed NPT 1/4 industry type deep plug and air filter regulator allows you to quick connect to your air compressor by using the stand coupler on your air compressor. Non-touch pilot arc torch efficiently cuts though rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. 2T4T enabled release your finger for long time cut, input and output 220V 240V, 1 pH, 50-60 Hz at 50 A input, automatic dual frequency, 50-60 Hz, 20 to 70 A DC out.
Top 2.
Iglobalbuy DC Inverter 50A Air Inverter Plasma Cutter Automatic Dual Voltage 110-220 VAC a half clean cut with digital LED display, cut 50, portable 3/4 the ultimate plasma CUTTER, when precision metalwork cuts matter. Our 50-amp digital air inverter plasma cutter handles cuts up to a half, max severance thickness, 3/4, with ease. Designed for both demanding industrial and construction work or home and hobby use. 3/4 makes the precision cuts you need with your Iglobalbuy plasma cutter. You can cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, aluminum, and other metal materials without breaking a sweat. Have limited outlets? No problem. The diversity between 110V and 220V has you covered. 3/4 superior PERFORMANCE plasma cutter features pro technology, more stable performance. High duty cycle result in less power consumption. More economical and efficient than the traditional cutting machine due to the high speed, high temperature and high energy plasma draft. 3/4 digital display and safe DESIG NDC output digital LCD display, easy read front panel air pressure gauge, save energy and no noise, high cutting speed, cutting smoothly and no polish demands.
Top 1.
Amico Cut 60HF, 60 amp non-touch pilot arc plasma cutter, Pro. 95 260V wide voltage, 4/5 in. Clean cut cutting machine. Cut 60HF incorporates the most advanced IGBT inverter technology and non-touch pilot arc cutting processes, resulting in excellent arc stability. The cutting effect is very ideal and can finish the work effortlessly and quickly, regardless if the material is very rough, rusty, greasy, dirty, spray painted, etc. The lightweight model design makes the machine very convenient to carry anywhere. CUT60HF can achieve perfect cutting, and the strength of its components makes it a reliable work tool for professionals or individuals. Can cut up to 1.0 inches stainless steel, alloy steel, low carbon steel, copper, iron, pig iron, cast iron, aluminum alloy, aluminum and other conductive metals, resulting in straight cuts, angles, holes, curves, notches, slots, circles, V-grooves, and many others in minutes. CUT60HF is an intelligent power supply system. The automatic selection function can automatically detect the input voltage so that you can easily use it in of 90V to 300V, and the machine will automatically adjust it. It is designed for demanding industrial work and construction and simple tasks around houses. With less work, you can achieve better results overall with sharper cuts. 0.60% duty cycle can ensure long-term and efficient cutting. NPT 1/4 inch industrial D-type coupler can easily and quickly connect to the air compressor. Extending the
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.